Hi, I'm Andrew Pullen, Managing Director of Vortex Leisure, and today we're here to unbox and talk about the new SpaNet Eco Cube mini heat pump. So quite revolutionary. We're going to talk about 5 great reasons to choose a SpaNet Eco Cube heat pump with your next portable spa pool. So let's get it unboxed. This is the slightly higher output unit, the 5.5 kilowatt. So it is designed for larger portable spas like the one behind me. They also produce a 3.5 kilowatt unit, which is ideal for smaller spas around that 2 meters by 2 meters or lower. So we'll remove the shrink wrap off it. As you can see, very compact. So in the back, it comes with everything you need to connect the spa. The power cables, the data cable are all supplied and attached to the heat pump. So 5 great reasons to choose to add the SpaNet Eco Cube heat pump to your next Vortex or Fisher spa pool purchase. So first of all, energy saving. Testing has shown that these units will cut the heating cost by around about 75%, depending on outside air temperature. So if you compare that to the overall cost of running the spa, it's going to halve your running costs. Now what that means, that because these are relatively inexpensive for a heat pump, that your payback time is as little as 2 years. And so after 2 years, you're going to be saving hundreds of dollars a year in the running cost of your spa. Secondly, it interfaces directly into the control system of any Vortex or Fisher spa. It's a plug-and-play installation, meaning that you can install or have an installer install one of these units in 15 to 30 minutes, once again, depending a little bit on location. So that's going to really cut the cost of installing a SpaNet Eco Cube system onto your portable spa. Number 3, they both heat and cool. So why is that important? In warmer climates, some parts of Australia, through the southern states of America, certain parts of Europe, etc., where temperatures can exceed 35 degrees, 40 degrees Celsius for long periods of time, the spa increasingly heats up, even if the heat is not running. And if it gets too hot, the spa will actually stop working. It cuts out on thermal trip. What these wee units can do is cool the spa down. In fact, these units can cool the spa to just 5 degrees Celsius. If you want to turn your spa into an ice bath, this is the unit to get. Number 4, the refrigerant that they use in these units is called R290. It's a naturally occurring refrigerant and it's extremely environmentally friendly, much more environmentally friendly than the majority of units that you'll find on the market. And number 5, the compact size. This wee unit is about 1/3 to as much as 1/4 smaller than the majority of spa or pool heat pump units on the market, meaning that, even with a smaller portable spa, you can tuck it around the back, out of sight, out of mind, runs away, saving you money whilst being virtually invisible. So there are 5 great reasons why to choose the Eco Cube when you purchase your next Vortex or Fisher spa pool.